Game number 4.
It's lovely to be here. Thank you all for joining us. First and foremost, congratulations to all the players for participating today, and for all those involved in the matches and in the organisation. You go to a lot of trouble to make this happen, and it's a wonderful initiative, and it means so much to so many. So thank you very much. As everyone here knows, cricket is very much in every home, in every family, not only in Pakistan, but pretty much in Australia as well. If there is one thing that unites Pakistanis and Australians, it is cricket. Everywhere I go in this country, I'm amazed at how much detail people know about Australian cricketers at the national level, but also at the state level. So we are very fortunate that we have such a wonderful bond through such a wonderful sport. And today, of course, is about more than that. It's about women and girls' empowerment, and it's about inclusion. And Australia works very hard right around the world on both of those key initiatives, and we're very, very proud of that. And the change, the confidence, the resilience that it brings. And today is no exception. And to witness what these young women have achieved and to see them as such champions of inclusion and indeed champions of change. It's really important, and it's a great pleasure for us to be involved in this initiative. I'm very proud to say that blind persons cricket started in Australia in my own hometown of Melbourne in 1922, but today one of the strongest advocates is Pakistan, and we've seen this flourish in Pakistan, and it's an absolute credit to all of the players and indeed to the country to see the success of it. We look forward to many, many more games and many, many more years of inclusive cricket, and ensuring that any barriers that there are for women with disabilities to be part of the cricket family and indeed sporting family more broadly are broken through, shall we say. But with that, congratulations again to all the players, and thank you very much for joining us here today in what is a very special occasion for Australia and Pakistan. Thank you very much.